Alright, so this is the Jaguar F-Type SVR. Let's take a quick walk around this beautiful car. So let's start with the front. This is the facelifted model with the new LED Jaguar headlights right here. It's a silver metallic color with these black decals that say 575, which stands for horsepower of this car. This car is completely dechrome with all the details in gloss black. Here you can see the SVR Special Vehicle Operations, which is something like an AMG for Mercedes. Yeah, chrome Jaguar logo with red insides, which looks very aggressive. I like that a lot. Gloss black vents right here. Let's move on to the wheels. Beautiful wheels with carbon ceramic brakes. Wheels actually have a little SVR logo on them, and then of course the chrome Jaguar with red background. Then let's get to the side, which right here you can see a little vent and the Jaguar written on a carbon fiber piece. If you look at the mirrors, the side mirrors, you can see that this is the normal body color mirror, but from this line down it's actually a gloss black, as well as around here, and as well as this line around the window and the door. These are the Jaguar door handles. Again, 575 decal, that stands for the power this car has. Right, so nice gloss black diffuser with 4 exhausts, 2 on each side, SVR badge again right here, and there is actually a beautiful carbon fiber, gloss carbon fiber wing, and the Jaguar logo is hidden right here behind it. Alright, let's take a closer look at this beautiful taillight right here. I really like this line, and because it actually follows the car to the side, it reminds me a bit of the new Stinger, Kia Stinger taillights. And as you can see, here's a reflector and here's the light. So this car is, so the side marker is actually included in the unit right here. Okay, let's have a look into the trunk. The button is hidden right here. Okay, doesn't open electronically for some reason, but it's actually a normal power operated trunk. The trunk is decently sized. You could probably fit in here as a person if you really wanted to, but no one wants that. Here's a Jaguar logo on this aluminium sill right here. So let's close the trunk and let's head inside into the car and take a look at the interior. Alright, so here we are in the Jaguar SVR F-Type. So this is all plastic right here. Settings for the seats with memory, Meridian sound system right here, black Alcantara headlining and sunroof with manual shade right here. Red leather seats with SVR written right here, and Jaguar on this metal bed. There's the SVR 575 badge again, little net for storage. Here is the center storage with 2 USB 3s and 1 power socket, 2 same size cup holders, shifter, parking brake, a sport or dynamic or winter mode switch right here, dynamic exhaust, raise the wing, which I think that with this aftermarket or with this optional carbon fiber wing actually doesn't do anything. Auto stop start and traction control off. Then let's move on to the climate control, which is pretty cool with included lights, with included displays in the buttons right here. And this is the switch to turn on the radio and the media center and set the volume. Alright, so let's take a quick look. This actually goes down, up and down when you turn off or on the climate control. Let's take a quick look. Here's the button to release the glove box. And let's take a look around. I love the frameless mirror right here. Let's take a look at the sunshades. They are incredibly small, with the tiniest mirror I've ever seen in a car. But this is the vent right here, control for the brightness of the display of the gauges, open rear trunk, rear fog light, and lane keeping assist right here, metal pedals, wiper stalk, signal stalk, and SVR again on the steering wheel, which is actually heated as well. Here you can see some space behind the seat. There's actually nothing except speaker right there. So yeah, as you can see, these beautiful black stitches all around, and then this diamond shaped stitch seat, perforated seat. Alright, so that's probably all from the interior of the Jaguar F-Type SVR.